In this video, I will show you how to upload landscape video on Instagram Reels. So let's get started. In this video, I will show you two methods that you can use to upload your landscape video on Instagram. So stick till the end to find out the both methods. In first method, you need to go to the Instagram and then from here tap on the plus icon and then you need to scroll it down to the Reels. Alright, on the Reels section you need to select the video. So for my case this is the video, so I will select that, and then from here what you can simply do, tap on the edit video option on the bottom side. Just tap on the edit video by pressing the crop button, and then you need to adjust the video. Alright, I think this looks fine. So then tap on done, and as you can see it looks quite beautiful right now. You can adjust it and now you can post it as a reels. You can just again tap on the, if you are not happy with that, you can again tap on the crop button and then adjust it like you're wanting and then tap on done. But for this there will be black bar in bottom and top side. So this is the first method you can do to post the landscape video. Alright, then the other method is to go to the Play Store and download the CapCut application and then open the CapCut. Alright, as you can see we got the CapCut. Then from here you need to tap on the new project, so tap on that, and then you need to select the exact video which is on landscape, so select that, and then from here you need to tap on add. Alright guys, then from here on the bottom side you need to scroll until you find the aspect ratio option, so tap on the aspect ratio, and then from here you need to select this option 9:16, so select that. And now this is the main thing guys, you need to rotate your mobile phone and then you need to rotate the video like 90 degree like this, and now you need to adjust as your frame size. Alright guys, if you just turn on the video, as you can see the video look like this. So you probably see most of the high resolution videos, some of the high resolution anime videos, and so much videos right out there in the reels that look like this. Alright, so then what I can simply do, let me just adjust my phone and then simply tap on the export and it will export your video in high quality. Now as you can see we are done, so simply go back to your Instagram Reels. So now as you can see we got another video like this, and if you select that, this video look like this, and then you can simply go send and post the reels like this. So I think this video might help you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it works for you or not, and let's have a discuss on that, and have a great day. Until then, goodbye.